Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Chemistry by Province. So today I am going to explain about the topic is called as a how to remember the or how to memorize the whole periodic table. So tricks to memorize the whole periodic table. So see the first year group element S block, hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. How to remember? For the see this, just remember this sentence. Highly nasty kids rub cat's fur. So see here, highly, H for stand for hydrogen, Ly stand for lithium, Na nasty, Na stand for sodium, K stand for potassium, Ru stand for rubidium, Ca stand for cesium, Fu stand for francium. So see, this is for the first year group element. So see the second S block, second group element, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radon. So how to remember these elements very easily? Just remember this sentence. Best manager came sir Baljit Rana. Enough. Best best beryllium manager magnesium manager magnesium came calcium sir strontium Baljit barium Rana radium. This is about the S block element completely. So if you see the group 13 boron family, boron, aluminium, gallium, iridium, thallium, nihonium. So these element how to remember? Just remember this sentence. Boss all gathered in Thailand National Highway Road. Boss all gathered in Thailand National Highway Road. So boss boron, all aluminium, gathered gallium, in indium, iridium, thallium, Thailand thallium, NH road, Nihonium. So these are the for the boron family. So next you can see the carbon. Next you can see the group 14. You can see carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, plumbum, fluorine. So how to remember this group 14? So if you want to remember the group 14, just remember this sentence. Can silly gents snatch lead flowers? Can silly gents snatch lead flowers? See here, can carbon, C stand for carbon, silly, S stand for Si stand for silicon, gents, Ge stand for germanium, snatch stand for tin. So lead stand for plumbum, flower stand for fluorobium. So this is for the group 14. Can silly gents snatch lead flowers? No need to remember the whole. So next you can see the group 14. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, antimony, bismuth, moscovium. So these are the nitrogen family, group 15. So how to remember this? Nine parents ask super brands. That means antiviral big mask. Nine parents ask super brand bracket antiviral big mask. Otherwise, if you want to remove this, nine parents ask antiviral big mask. So nine nitrogen, parents, P stand for phosphorus, ask arsenic, super brand or antiviral antimony, big bismuth, mask moscovium. So this is for the group 14 and group 15. So next you can see the group 16 and group 17. So group 16 you can see the oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, Lv, livermorium. So how to remember this? Just to remember the sentence. 1 second SEMA tell police law. So 1 O stand for oxygen, second S stand for sulfur, selenium, Se stand for selenium, tellurium, PO stand for polonium, La, L stand for livermorium. Just like that. So 1 second SEMA tell police law. Very easy. Next one you can see fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine and tennessinium. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine and tennessinium. How to remember? Florida client brother in Austria tennis stadium. Florida client brother in Austria tennis stadium. Someone is telling that Florida client brother in Austria tennis stadium. So Florida, Fl stand for fluorine, Cl stand for chlorine, Pr stand for bromine, in iridium, iodine, Astatine, tennis stadium. So tennessinium. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine and tennessinium. So this is for the group 17. So next you can see the group 18. So helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon and ignition. So how to remember? So he never argue Krish. He never argue Krish. Xerox red original. He never argue Krish. Xerox red original. So he helium never any neon argue AR stand for argon. Krish KR stand for krypton. Xenon, Xerox, X stand for Xenon. Red, R stand for radon. Next one, original, O, G, O and third letter G stand for ignition. So these are the group 18. So if you see the period 4 3D series, D block element, transition element, you can see scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. How to remember? Just remember this sentence. Scan tightly, verified, crazy man, fever, cold, nil, cut zinc. Fever, cold, nil, cut zinc. Scan tightly, verified, crazy man. Scan tightly, verified, crazy man, fever, cold, nil, cut zinc. Scan, SC stands for scan, scandium. The board unit itself is indicated scan. Tightly, titanium. Verified, V stands for vanadium. Crazy, CR stands for chromium. Man, manganese. Fever, iron. Cold, CO, cobalt. Nil, Ni stands for nickel. Cut, Cu stands for copper. Zinc in the sense zinc only. Next, fifth period. You can see the fifth period. Atrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, cadmium. So atrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, cadmium. So how to remember? Just remember this sentence. You are zero, no money. You are zero, no money. Technically rust, Rohan. Paper agreement conducted. That's it. You are zero, no money. You are zero, no money. Technically rust, Rohan. Paper agreement conducted. Your Y stand for atrium. Z, zirconium. No, nobelium. MO stand for molybdenum. Technically, TE stand for technetium. Rust, ruthenium. So molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium. Next one, Rohan, rhodium, RH, rhodium. Paper, PS stand for palladium. Agreement, AG stand for silver. Conducted, C and D stand for cadmium. So you are zero, no money, technically rust, Rohan, paper agreement conducted. So next you can see the sixth period. So lanthanum, hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, rhenium, osmium, iridium, platinum, gold and mercury. So how to remember? Just remember this sentence. Larry half taken. Larry half taken. What remaining outside? Larry half taken. What remaining outside? Irritating. Please go mercy. Larry half taken. What remaining outside? Please go mercy. So Larry, LA stand for lanthanum. H half, hafnium, taken, tantalum. What, wolfram, W stand for remaining, RE stand for rhenium. Outside, osmium, O and S, osmium. Next one, irritating, iridium. Please, P stand for platinum. Go, go stand for gold. Mercury, mercy stand for M stand for mercury. Larry half taken. What remaining outside? Irritating. Please go mercy. Just remember this. So next you can see the seventh period element. If you see the seventh period element, if you see actinium, rutherfordium, so rubidium, seaborgium, borium, hafnium. Next one you can see the metrinium, drumstadium, prointonium, copernicium. So how to remember? Just remember this word actor. AC stands for actinium, R stands for rutherfordium, dubinium. So dubbing, du nothing but dubinium, scene, seaborgium, bore, B nothing but the borium. So next one you can see the hasini. H Hasini. So H is stand for the Hasmium. So Hasium. Next one you can see the Mt. So Mt stand for the Metrinium. Mt stand for metrinium. Next one Drama. So Dr stand for the Drumstadium. So next one you can see the Roman. So Roman stand for the Roentgenesium. Next one Company. So Copernicium. So just remember this: actor, dubbing scene, Bore, Hasini, Met, Drama, Roman, Company. Actor, dubbing scene, Bore, Hasini, Met, Drama, Roman, Company. So next you can see the lanthanide. You can see, so here I am dividing the lanthanides into two parts. So this is for the one sentence, this is for the another sentence. First one, so Ce. So you can see that cerium, praseodium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium. Next one you can see the holonium, erbium, thulium, lutetium. So how to remember? Certificate present needed PM set. Certificate present needed PM set. This is the one. Next one you can see the certificate present needed PM set. European gadgets terrible dynamically. This is the one sentence. European gadgets terrible dynamically. Oh, erase comprint Lucy. Next one you can see certificate. CE is nothing but cerium. PR is nothing but cerium, praseodium. So Ne is a neodymium. PM, promethium. Prime Minister, so we can write as a promethium. So said SA is stand for the samarium. So you can see EU, europium, GD, gadolinium. So terrible, terbium. So dynamically. So here you can say that dysprosium. So over. Next one, holonium, arise, ER. So erbium, comprint. So thulium, Lucy. So you can say that lutetium. So these are the certificate present needed PM set. One, European gadgets terrible dynamically. Arise, thumbprint, Lucy. So last you can see the actinides. Lanthanide we have done actinides. Next you can see thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium. So this is for one. So how to remember these three planets: Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. So TH stands for thorium, P stands for the protactinium. So Uranus, uranium, neptunium, and PL stands for the plutonium. Done. Next one, Amicure, Berkeley, California, Einstein. Amicure, Berkeley, California, Einstein. So Am is nothing but the americium. So Cure is nothing but the curium. So next one you can see the Berkelium, California, Einstein. Done. Next one, Fermi made Nobel last. Fermi made Nobel last. Fm is nothing but fermium, mendelevium. Next one, nobelium. So next one, lawrencium. So these are the tricks to remember the periodic table. So if you are like the video, just like and share to your friends. Subscribe to my channel if you are watching the first time. So thank you for watching.